Hi guys, I'm the new voice in Dr. Nikki, in Dr. Nikki's channel, slash I'm his wifey, and I'm going to show you today how to turn on Vanish mode on Messenger in 2021. First, if you're so lost and helpless and hopeless like me, probably this would be very helpful because I discovered it by accident and I'm very happy with this new feature in Facebook and Messenger. So here's my phone and that's my chat, and I wanted to send a message to a friend and I couldn't do it because my Wi-Fi was down, so I repeatedly just pressed again and again different buttons, tried to send it but didn't happen. So if you just press a lot, it can happen by accident as me, but it's easier. Just press once and just slide up and Vanish mode is turned on. So you have some features here. You can just press learn more and see how your conversations can be hidden, how messages can disappear. It's very useful, it's very good, it's very fine because you can hide messages in a public chat that is with a person between you and him, and then you can just type something, send it, and if you just turn off Vanish mode, you go back and it was something like never happened. So it's good for keeping your secrets, but also if you have some business or family conversation, you can easily be discreet, be happy, and continue with it. So that was from me, and hopefully more accidents will happen, and see you on the next video. Bye.